All right, everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics. We're now going to go in for a ride in our 1967 Oldsmobile 98. Different model than the Cutlass Supreme or the 442. This one that we have here is a nice silver with a black top convertible power. As you can see, everything inside this car is very clean, very original. We got our bench seat here with our fold-down armrest. We got our back seat with our speaker in the center. What's really nice about this car is it does have an original radio that does work. FM, AM, original horn, still honks the horn. Power steering, which doesn't squeal at all. It even has the old-fashioned hubcaps with the white line, or I like to call them white wall tires. And everything about this car, this is just a cruiser here. Here, no leaks in the exhaust. The engine bay is just as clean as it came off the factory line. And as we'll demonstrate the brakes for you right now. Not too bad there. Of course, these cars just need to be driven, so the more you drive them, the more you love them, the better they're gonna ride. And yeah, got a clean little Oldsmobile, ready to be driven, ready to be taken home. Anyway, we're gonna get her turned around, put her on the lift, let you see the underneath. Stay tuned.